Assalamu alaikum. So how many words are there in every page? 15 times 9, 135. So let's take a round figure, 130. So there are 130 words in every page of the Quran and there are 600 pages. Therefore, the number of words in the Quran are 130 times 600, which is approximately 78,000. So if we want to understand the Quran, we have to understand 78,000 words of the Quran. Just these du'as along with extremely simple grammar that we will teach you using TPI, then you will learn 232 words that occur in the Quran almost 40,000, actually 41,000 times. In fact, out of these 232, there are 125 words which occur almost 50% times, almost 40,000. So, what does it mean? Every second word of the Quran is from Salah. If you learn Salah, you will learn almost 50% words of the Quran.